you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, in this video, we gonna discuss all the different 16 states of Germany, their different stereotypes. Yes, guys, what different countries, sorry, different states are having in Germany. So make sure to subscribe this video because this is gonna be super duper interesting. While making my team and I was super duper interesting, so I hope you're gonna watch this with such a excitement. So yes. In case you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, group preparation, and whatnot. So why to waste time? Come, enroll with German Gyan. Let's get in this video. Let's go.
All 16 German states stereotypes. Germans will tell you we don't stereotype people, but ask them about other German states, and suddenly everyone has opinion. Germany has 16 states, and honestly, each one feels like a different personality in the same country. So let's discuss state-wise stereotypes. Let's start with Bavaria, basically the influencer of Germany. Beer, Oktoberfest, Lederhosen, traditions everywhere. And Bavarians low-key believe, we are Germany, the rest is just extra. Then comes Berlin, completely different universe. Creative, chaotic, artsy, and honestly a little rebellious. Rules? Optional. Being on time? Also optional. The vibe is poor but sexy. Now, Baden-Württemberg, the overachiever. Hardworking, rich, full of engineers. Mercedes, Porsche, big players live here. Basically, work hard, succeed harder. That means they are very serious and ambitious. Then NRW is the life of the party. Loud, friendly, loves carnival and football. If Germany had a fun department, it would be here. And here you can find most fun-loving Germans. Hamburg. Classy, rich, reserved, too sophisticated to care, and even their silence feels expensive. And the people in Germany, their energy is like, we are elegant, we don't need to prove it. Hessen. Hesse, especially Frankfurt, all about business, finance, money, practicality. Think time is money, literally. That means you can find all the business minded people here in Hessen. Saxony, known for its strong accent, traditionals, sometimes seen as conservative, and often misunderstood but definitely unique. Lower Saxony. Lower Saxony is calm, simple, and balanced. The stereotype is this is the average German life, nothing extreme, just steady. Schleswig Holstein. This is quiet and chill. Sea, wind, relaxed lifestyle. People here are like, why to rush? That means they believe in calmness, in peace. Brandenburg. This is peaceful and rural, but always living in Berlin's shadow, close to everything yet unnoticed. That means people in Brandenburg, they experience everything, but still they are unnoticed. Thuringia, known for forest, nature and quiet charm, a hidden gem that people don't talk about enough. Saxony-Anhalt, not very famous and often overlooked, but sometimes the quiet place have the most stories. Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. This is known for stunning beaches and very empty. This feels like a peaceful retirement paradise. Rheinland-Palatinate. Here you can find wine lovers, friendly, relaxed and easygoing. Life here is slow and enjoyable. That means you can enjoy everything over here. There is no one in rush. Saarland, a tiny but very special place. Strong French influence and amazing food. Means small state but big taste. So if you want to try something, please visit Saarland. Finally, Bremen, the smallest state. So here you have maritime vibes and underrated charm. And it really proves that size doesn't matter.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you are super excited after watching this. I hope you will experience it soon while you are traveling or while you are studying, while you are doing job in Germany. Make sure to show lots of love to this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.